Hello, superstar English learners. Welcome back to Vibe English Podcast, where we make English your strength. I'm Sarah, and I'm bursting with pride for you on day 5, the final day of our 5-day English speaking challenge. You've shadowed 120 sentences so far, amazing. Today we're celebrating your progress with 30 new challenging sentences to make you shine. We're using shadowing, repeating after me to mimic native pronunciation, rhythm and tone. It's like performing English on stage. Shadowing helps you say words perfectly, speak naturally, feel fearless when talking, understand fast speech. Today's sentences are about travel and celebrating your journey. Perfect for your English adventure. I'll say each one clearly, pause for you to repeat, and subtitles will highlight key words. Mistakes? They're your victory badges. Ready for our grand finale? Let's make it epic. Here's how to finish strong. Find a quiet spot to speak loudly. Listen to my sentence, noting tone. Repeat after the pause, copying my voice. Follow subtitles. Highlighted words show emphasis. Celebrate every sentence you say. Each sentence is said 3 times with 3-second pause. Let's start. 1. I love to travel. I love to travel. I love to travel. 2. I explore new places. I explore new places. I explore new places. 3. I meet kind people. I meet kind people. I meet kind people. 4. I try local food. I try local food. I try local food. 5. I speak with courage. I speak with courage. I speak with courage. 6. I learn from others. I learn from others. I learn from others. 7. I enjoy every moment. I enjoy every moment. I enjoy every moment. 8. I share my stories. I share my stories. I share my stories. 9. I feel free always. I feel free always. I feel free always. 10. I celebrate my growth. I celebrate my growth. I celebrate my growth. You're amazing. Let's try sentences about travel. 11. I visit a new city. I visit a new city. I visit a new city. 12. I book my hotel online. I book my hotel online. I book my hotel online. 13. I ask for directions politely. I ask for directions politely. I ask for directions politely. 14. I take photos daily. I take photos daily. I take photos daily. 15. I talk to travellers. I talk to travellers. I talk to travellers. 16. I learn about cultures. I learn about cultures. I learn about cultures. 17. I write travel notes. I write travel notes. I write travel notes. 18. I try new adventures. I try new adventures. I try new adventures. 19. I relax by the sea. I relax by the sea. I relax by the sea. 20. I plan my next trip. I plan my next trip. I plan my next trip. You're unstoppable. Now, longer sentences to shine. 21. I travel to discover new places. I travel to discover new places. I travel to discover new places. 22. I speak English with new friends. I speak English with new friends. I speak English with new friends. 23. I feel excited about my adventures. I feel excited about my adventures. I feel excited about my adventures. 24. I understand different accents better. I understand different accents better. I understand different accents better. 25. I share my experiences with joy. I share my experiences with joy. I share my experiences with joy. 26. I learn new words while travelling. I learn new words while travelling. I learn new words while travelling. 27. I am confident in every conversation. I am confident in every conversation. I am confident in every conversation. 28. I explore the world with enthusiasm. I explore the world with enthusiasm. I explore the world with enthusiasm. 29. I celebrate every step of my journey. I celebrate every step of my journey. I celebrate every step of my journey. 30. I'm ready for my next challenge. I'm ready for my next challenge. I'm ready for my next challenge. You did it. 30 sentences and the entire 5-day challenge. Here are tips to keep shining. Record yourself. Try sentence 29. I celebrate every step of my journey. Compare to mine. Keep practicing. Revisit all 150 sentences from days 1 to 5 for fluency. Stay proud. Mistakes are proof of your growth. Celebrate them. Pause and say sentence 30. I am ready for my next challenge 3 times to a friend or mirror. How does it feel to finish? Share in the comments. Also, tell us, where do you want to travel using your English? I'll reply to celebrate with you. You've completed the 5-day English speaking challenge. 150 sentences. You're a true star, and I'm so proud of you. Shadowing has powered your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence, turning you into a stronger English speaker. Whether you're traveling, working, or connecting with the world, your English is ready to shine. Hard work always pays off, and you've proven it. Keep practicing with Vibe English. New challenges are coming. Subscribe, hit the bell, and comment your favorite sentence or travel dream below. Let's make our community unstoppable. Thank you for joining, keep shining, and I'll see you in our next adventure. You're incredible.